Sorry. So in last class, we discussed about till half group task, right? So we have discussed group discussion 1, 2, group planning exercise, progressive group task, and half group task. Today we'll discuss the rest of the task of the group task, right? So after half group task, what all tasks are left? One is your individual obstacle. So let's end the individual obstacle. So individual obstacle is like 10 small obstacles, and you have to cover them in 3 minutes, right? And every obstacle is given a number from 1 to 10 depending on their difficulty. Watch some videos around on YouTube, but understand one thing: your aim is to get the maximum marks in individual obstacles. So आपके पास 3 मिनट है, आपको सारे obstacles करने हैं, right? So you can start from 1 to 10, then you can start from 10 to 1, or you can start from 5, 6 to 10, then 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Understood? You can do this, but it is a test of organizing ability. It is not a test of your physical stamina. Physical stamina के लिए तो academy है ना इतनी बड़ी. That's why government is spending 15-16,000 per week on a cadet, right? It is a test of organizing ability, right? 3 मिनट है. अगर आपकी फिजिकल फिटनेस अच्छी है तो सारे कर लोगे, नहीं है अच्छी तो नहीं कर पाओगे सारे. So what's better that you start from a task जो ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट भी ना हो और जिसके मार्क्स भी ठीक हो. Don't start from 1, start from 7, 8. And understand one thing, जहां जहां आप एसएसबी सेंटर में जाओगे, हर एसएसबी सेंटर का डिजाइन अलग है. व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय डिजाइन अलग? लाइक किसी एसएसबी सेंटर में सारे सर्कुलर मैनर में होंगे, राइट? किसी में एस फॉर्म में होंगे, किसी में एन टाइप शेप में होंगे, या कहीं कहीं रैंडमली होंगे. उसके बीच में आपको स्टार्ट करना है. ये मत करना कि फर्स्ट से लेके स्टार्ट तक. लाइक सपोज इट इज इन एस फॉर्म और बीच में कुछ अच्छा है, लाइक 5-6 पॉइंटर्स. सो स्टार्ट, क्योंकि कम टाइम में मैक्सिमम, बिकॉज आगे आने वाले टाइम में आपको ना तो आपके अंदर जान बचेगी. जब 3 मिनट पास आने वाले होंगे करने के लिए, तो पहले कर लो. जो टफ टास्क है वो पहले कर लो, जैसे कमांडो वॉक है. सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द मिड, एंड इफ इट इज अ सर्कल, डोंट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 5, 6, 7, 8, देन डू 1, 2, 3, 4. एक और रूल है, यू कैन नॉट रिपीट द टास्क इफ यू डोंट कंप्लीट ऑल 10. सपोज 9 टास्क कर लिए और फिर से दोबारा करने गए, नहीं, इट विल नॉट बी काउंटेड. फर्स्ट डू ऑल 10 टास्क, उसके बाद करो. तो जब सारे 10 के 10 टास्क कर लिए, तो उसके बाद मैं क्या करूं? जो सबसे ज्यादा हाई मार्क्स वाला है वो करो. एंड गाइज अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, देयर आर फ्यू टास्क इन दिस. एक होता है कमांडो वॉक. ऐसा आपको थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाना है, एंड देन देयर विल बी अ प्लेटफॉर्म. ऐसा जिगजैग प्लेटफॉर्म होगा, उसके ऊपर आपको खड़ा होना है, राइट? वो हिलेगा और फिर वहां से आपको नीचे उतरना है. दिस विल बी अ टास्क टू सी योर हाइट ऑफ फियर. योर aim is to just walk on it, be fast. ज्यादा टाइम लगाओगे ज्यादा टफ हो जाएगा तुम्हारे लिए. सेकेंड थिंग फॉर यू, एक होता है डिच. मतलब ऐसे भागते हुए आओगे, यहाँ पे एक डिच है, उसके ऊपर से आपको कूदना होता है, राइट? या तो रोप की हेल्प से या फिर डायरेक्टली. जब भी भागते हुए आ रहे हो, डोंट स्टॉप. अगर आप डिच को देख के डर गए, या फिर उस डिच के अंदर किसी ने पानी भर दिया, लाइक असेसर्स ने भरवाया है, टू सी योर फियर ऑफ वाटर या फिर फियर ऑफ डेप्थ, डोंट स्टॉप रनिंग. कूद जाओ, वरना ऐसे अलाइन करो कि वो टास्क आपका आए ना. क्योंकि इफ यू रैन एंड यू स्टॉप्ड इन बिटवीन, इट सिंपली शोज दैट यू लैक करेज, राइट? और फौजी के अंदर करेज नहीं होगा तो भाई किसके अंदर होगा? यू विल नॉट बी रिकमेंडेड. आप कितने भी अच्छे हो जाओ, अगर आपके अंदर करेज का इशू आ गया, सो यू विल नॉट बी रिकमेंडेड. अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज अ बिट अबाउट इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टेकल. After this, your lecturate will come. So how does lecturate work and what is lecturate? Lecturate is 3 minutes will be given to you to prepare on a topic, and you have to speak for further 3 minutes. Understood? So if you speak for over 2 minutes 45 seconds to 3 minutes, you are good, excellent. If you speak from 2 minutes 30 seconds to 2 minutes 45, you are like okay, average type. And if you speak less than 2 minutes 30 seconds on that topic, then you are not that good of a candidate. So how does it work? So होता क्या है, अगर आप पहले हो या फिर आपसे पहले कोई है, you will be given a slip, or there will be 7-8 slips on the table upside down. You will go pick one randomly. You will go like 20-30 meters away from where you have to present. उसके अंदर 4 टॉपिक्स होंगे, 1 2 3 4. In this 4, one is very easy topic, one will be very hard, right, and 2 will be mediocre topics. A suggestion: don't pick the easy topic. It's better to pick the normal or the hard topic and to speak for 2 minutes 40 seconds, 2 minutes 35 seconds, instead of pick the easy topic and speak for 3 minutes, right? Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
topic
sir.
पकड़ा, 4 टॉपिक है, इजी वाला डिस्कार्ड, 1 is hard, 2 are normal. Pick any 3. You after and prepare in your mind कि भाई मैं पहले I will speak around the introduction थोड़ा बहुत कि इसका थोड़ा background, then main content, and then last में. For this you need to study, right? Study 30-40 lecture topics, उनके around आजकल क्या चल रहा है, these kind of thing. When you will be called, you have to go and present yourself. Present as in a basic introduction. Hi, I am this and this, and I am from this, and today I will be speaking on. Keep it crisp and start speaking. When you are speaking and addressing, don't look at the officer. Like all your batchmates will be sitting towards facing you in a semicircle, and assessor will be behind them. Like here will be your friends, and assessor will be here, and you'll be standing here. So address your friends, right? Not the assessor. Look from left to right to your friends, hands behind your back in the like stand at ease position. Understood? And then tell or narrate to your friends about the topic. Even if you get stuck, no issues, just maintain the flow. Try to maintain the flow and speak for 3 minutes. Try to speak for 3 minutes. 3 मिनट से पहले घंटी बजाई जाती है, वो आपको बता देंगे 20 सेकंड पहले, 30 सेकंड पहले, you will understand, या फिर 10 सेकंड पहले. You just have to speak and you'll be good enough for the lecture. Now we'll talk about the command task. Command task जब आपका स्टार्ट होगा, before like the whole task start, officer will call you, will interact with you. Ki, hi, where are you from? Who all are there in your family? How's life and everything with you? These kind of things, officer will interact with you surely, right? After interaction, he will ask you that I am giving you a command task. For this, you can call 2 of your batchmates or 3. It is generally 2 only. 2 of your batchmates as a subordinate or as a help to you, right? मतलब कि उन 2 दोस्तों को बुला लो, उनकी हेल्प से तुम्हें एक कमांड टास्क क्रॉस करना है, राइट? सो आप बता दोगे कि सर मुझे चेस्ट नंबर 5 and 10 चाहिए. Then the officer will ask why. So don't call your friends because they have called you or they are your friends. No, call them depending on the task. Like suppose if you need someone short and lightweight, call him or her. If you want someone very tall and of a good build, call him or her, right? Depending on the task. Don't give these reasons ki he or she is my friend. No, sir, I think according to this task I need someone of this build, and so I believe they'll be good. Then your command task will start. So उसमें फट्टा बल्ली एक rope होगी. Look at YouTube पे some videos. Then you have to arrange and go around it. That's how the whole thing will be. Now the thing is, once you will start doing this, if you were a potential leader, then officer will change the color or make it difficult. कि यार आपका फट्टा टूट गया, आपकी बल्ली टूट गई, आपकी रोप में आग लग गई, तो आपके पास ये नहीं है, right? He will keep on hardening it tough for you. He'll make it tough for you. But if you are an audience, he'll keep it simple. Acha, okay, very good, thank you. For this, you will have 10 minutes and you will take help of your subordinates. Subordinates in the sense your batchmates in that particular test only, right? Now, how to interact with them? Once you call them, they'll come. Once they come, you will tell them. You will like make them familiar with the task. Ki, friends, or chest number 16 and 18, we've been given a task. to do this and that, and we have 10 minutes. And are you ready? Yes. वो बोलेंगे yes, we are ready. Then you simply say, okay, let's begin. Try not to ask for the ideas from your friends. अपने दोस्तों से आइडियाज मत लेना, because you are leading, right? You are leading man. So अपना ब्रेन यूज करो, अपने आइडियाज लगाओ वहां पे. अगर ऐसी कुछ सिचुएशन होगी, then the officer will ask कि भाई तुम कुछ हेल्प करना चाहते हो तुम्हारे दोस्त वोस्त. If they will say yes or no, that is up to them. But it is preferable, और जो लोग हेल्प कर रहे हैं, don't give your ideas, just listen to what your group leader is saying. If officer says give your ideas, then give. वरना ये मत बोलो कि ये सही है ये गलत है. Just keep quiet. Understood? This is the golden rule of command task. Any other issue with this? All good? Then after this, mostly snake race happen. Now, what is a snake race? Suppose you are 10 people in a group. Then there are another 10, and there is another third group of 10 people. So you are 30. So now there will be a race between you three groups. You guys will be standing आगे से पीछे तक 10, 10 और 10. You will be holding like structure like a snake or a rope, right? Which you guys have to hold while running. And when doing or crossing an obstacle, at least 3 people have to hold it. This is it good? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when you cross the obstacle, try to hold it, right? And इसमें आपको अपना एक जयकारा या फिर एक वॉर क्राई अपना रखना होता है, राइट? कुछ भी आप रख सकते हो. एक बंदा चिल्लाता रहेगा, फिर बाकी सब उसे सपोर्ट करते रहो. लास्ट तक आते आते एक दो ही बंदे बोल रहे होते हैं. So make sure that from starting to end, your energy is constant and don't look at the officers. Just try helping your friends. आगे आगे भाग के कुछ नहीं होगा. The best thing is जो आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं या फिर जो ज्यादा फिजिकली फिट नहीं है या फिर जो दीवार पे नहीं चढ़ पा रहे, you wait for them and you help them cross, right? When you help them cross, that's how things happen. Understood? Try to help your group members. There is no need to win the race, right? Win with your group. Make your group as your strength and make them move with you. And at last, all the 3 groups will क्रॉस एट वंस ओनली, राइट? ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि कोई किसी ग्रुप ने जल्दी क्रॉस कर लिया तो दे विल बी रिकमेंडेड और किसी ने नहीं करा तो दे विल नॉट बी रिकमेंडेड. द ओनली थिंग इज कोई आगे चल रहा है उसे 30 सेकंड की पेनल्टी दे देंगे, कोई पीछे चल रहा है उसे एडवांस दे देंगे. एंड सो ऑल द ग्रुप्स विल क्रॉस एट द सेम टाइम. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ टेल मी व्हिच टास्क इज लेफ्ट इन ग्रुप टास्क. टेल मी. We discussed group discussion, group planning exercise, progressive group task, half group task, lecturate, individual obstacle, right? Command task, snake race. What all? Is there anything else? Tell me.
No, sir. GP, sir. GP.
GP तो we have discussed.
Okay, sir. Okay.
स्टार्टिंग में करी नहीं थी ग्रुप डिस्कशन के बाद?
Sir, I was not in that class, sir. Sorry,
Yeah,
sir.
we did.
Okay, watch it on YouTube, right?
Sure, sir.
या बस एक लास्ट टास्क बचा है, वो तो आपको वो है ना फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क, दैट तो आई विल डिस्कस. इफ यू गाइस रिमेंबर द थ्योरी, पहले पेड़ को देखो, फिर उसके इंडिविजुअल्स को देखो, फिर से पेड़ को दोबारा देखो, राइट? एंड योर स्नेक रेस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ग्रुप ऑब्स्टेकल रेस. सो सेम ही चीज है वो. So now comes your FGT, final group task. It is all similar to your progressive group task or half group task. It is just that you have 10 minutes और एक ही task उसमें complete करना है. You will again be given fatta, balli and a rope. What is fatta? Fatta is a plank, right? So you will again be given it and you have to use it to cross it, and so that your whole group can cross and you guys can go to the other side of that obstacle. You will be given 10 minutes. Officer won't assess you on this. It is just that he will see those potential leader he identified, are they still performing after 5-6 hours continuously? So he will just confirm. So he won't assess, but he will confirm. So this is a very important task. If you are a potential leader, You have to put in more and more to justify, yes, I am the potential and the true leader. I am putting in till the last. That's how your final group task is, that is why it is so important. Understood? Anything around this? And audience will be audience, absolutely right. So this is how your group task is done and evaluated. So starting से end तक full जोश, right? Participate maximum to maximum with different points and different ideas if you want to be in the potential leader group. Understood? Now we'll take your questions. Tell me your questions or your any issue which you faced. Yeah, Sahil, please.
Sir, as you said, the assessor divides us into two categories: potential candidates and audience. So, sir, is there any chance that candidate from audience comes in the potential list?
Okay. So this bifurcation of potential leader and the audience is done at the end of progressive group task. Means GD 1-2 is done, group laying exercise is done, and progressive group task is done. Means old kind of group task are done. Now individual will start. So if in initial 4 year you are in the potential audience or potential leader, you will remain in potential leader till last. Only your ranking will change. Very high potential and very low potential. But still you will be in the leader category. But after this, if you are in the audience, you will remain audience. No matter what, how good you perform, you will always remain in the audience only. Understood? So it's better to perform, and it is very mandatory to perform in the initial task, right?
Okay, sir.
Any other question? Any other issue? Okay, so I guess we are good with this. We'll have next class tomorrow. I'll update you. In that, we'll discuss in detail about your individual or the personal interview, the PI, the third pillar of your assessment, and how to go about it. Yes, I please.
Yeah. Sir, as you said, there is a war cry or something like that. So, sir, are we suggested to give tips to our other teammates also? कि हाँ ऐसा करने पे होगा.
You won't have the individual war cry. Officer will give you 10 seconds. Discuss among yourself. You guys will say, okay, we will have this or that war cry. So that's how you guys will make the war cry. और फिर चिल्लाते हुए जाओगे सब लोग, right? Around जब भी पूरी
नहीं
रेस
सर,
चल
जैसे
रही होगी.
ऐसे उनको टिप्स दे सकते हैं क्या कि हाँ कि हमें एनर्जी वो सेम रखनी है,
नहीं
हमें
tips
अपने पे ध्यान देना है या
आप
पूरे ग्रुप को बता के चलना है?
you can give the tips. The only issue is you won't have the time. टाइम ही 10 सेकंड मिलेंगे. You guys will be like कि जल्दी से बस डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. That's it. कि वॉर क्राई डिसाइड कर लो. We have this much of time. That's it. No more time we have.
Okay, sir.
Right. So ठीक है. We'll meet tomorrow, right? We'll discuss tomorrow about personal interview and how to go about them. We can surely work something around it, right? Any other questions? ठीक है.
No, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, sure. Then let's call it a day. Let's meet tomorrow and prepare. Write your VAT, your TAT. I'll review them, by tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.